again. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the site and to let you know that you can go in and kind of explore what the possibilities are as you're trying to figure out what content you want up there. So if you go to masterclassma.thinkofit.com, it should take you to a main page. And if you go, this is like the back end basically, where you as an administrator can come in and make edits. So if you come down to design your site and you go to site builder, this is where you can build that front page and then the course specific pages. And then there's other pages that you can customize and build as well down the road. But the main things we need just to be able to send this to the folks to get it tested and to get some initial support would be this home page, or what we're calling the front page. So right now what you see on there is just the hero image and then the name of whatever, the academy. I don't know what you want this to read, so I just need to know what you want that to read, and then whatever you want your tagline to be, if you want one. You don't have to have one. If you like the image, that's great. If not, let me know what hero image you'd like to put on that front page. And then the main thing that we need on the front page is the course offerings. I can change this to whatever you want it to be. And then these links, the only thing that I can really change on here would be the price and this background color when you click, and then of course the images. So if you've got an image for execution and an image from planning, just send them my way. These are just free stock photos that are copyright free, so we can keep these if you want, or you can give me images to replace them. Whatever image we put here would be the same image that will be on the landing page for each course, so I'll show you that in just a second. Some options for this front page. So on the left here you see we've got the banner, which is what's right here. This is what I have coded for the name of the course, and I did some custom coding. And then this is where we put the hero image. You can put basically a opaque layer on top of it to kind of change the color a little bit. You can change whether or not this text is center, left, right, and so on. I made it extra large. You can make it smaller, so let me know if you want it to be probably not small, but we could go down to large. And you can see that just changes the general size of that so that you can see what's coming up a little bit quicker. So let me know if that sounds good, what size you want that to be. Then in addition to that, this is the smart section with your products, but you can also add other sections, and that's the main thing I wanted to show you. So there's some smart sections you can add. We already have a banner. There might be some bonus material that you want to provide, maybe a call to action like sign up today or register today, or maybe like a countdown timer to something, maybe like launch date or something along those lines. And then when we have reviews and that sort of thing, we can also add that here so that people can see, what folks are saying about the courses. If there's images of the live classes that you want to provide as just kind of a, hey, here's what we do in the live class, but it's translated into this online course, or it can be used in addition to or with. If you want any information about the instructors here, then we can do that. But it probably makes more sense, since there's going to be different instructors for the future courses, to have instructor information on that, on these pages when we get to them. And then let's see, I can do some basic text. So if there's any kind of information that you want to provide here, I would just use that. If there's a video that you want to provide, I can use that as well. We can put logos and stuff for social media down at the bottom too. And that's pretty much it. So some of the basic components of what you would typically see on a website can be added here. I don't have quite as much customization options. I didn't in WordPress LearnDash either, because they're not really designed to be websites. They're meant to be product holders, stores, and learning management systems. All right, so if you want me to add any other pieces to this page, just let me know and send me the content for those pieces. If there's anything you want on the footer as well, let me know that. And then we'll take a look at the other two things that need to be done as soon as possible as well, which are the courses. So this is what you'll see when you click on the buttons or the little thumbnails that were on the front page. I can change this however you want it changed. You can even see like this right here is just basically a banner that I made to kind of divide what's on this page. I can remove that. I can get rid of it altogether. And then you can see that it would start directly on Scott's information. Let me go back up. We can get rid of the buttons here if you want to. We can change the font if you want to, or make it all caps. Anything that you want. We can change the image here to match the image of the course thumbnail so that there's some connection there. I can make any changes you want to this. I'd really like to shorten it if possible. So if there's any ideas that you have for shortening it, and if we have a better picture of Scott, that'd be great. This was color. I changed it to black and white because the color was really dated and it just didn't look very nice. This is another little header that I made. You can take that out completely if you want. And then it jumps right into the information about the course. I can put anything else that you want in here. It has the same options that I pointed out in the home page. So if there's other information that you want me to provide, just let me know. And then the last one that we want to try to do is the landing page for the other course. So that's planning and then execution. Same kind of thing. We want to know, how big do you want this to be? What image do you want right here? Is there anything else, that we want to provide regarding the course information? And I think that's about it. So I look forward to getting the content, and just let me know if you have any questions.